Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're unboxing a maternity clothing company called Storq, and you might be wondering, why are you buying maternity clothes? Well, because we're having a boy. All right, so I've been gone for a while and now you know why. Storq is a modern maternity clothing company. They have very basic pieces in their collection, and they have something called a should have looked that up. Basics bundle. Okay, so they have something called a basics bundle, which comes with 4 pieces of clothing, a pair of leggings, a black skirt, a black dress, and then a white tank top. So 4 items you can mix and match with your wardrobe. It's kind of like creating a capsule wardrobe almost. I've been trying really hard not to buy maternity clothes because I don't want to just wear it for a couple months and then not be able to wear it later on. But something on their website really caught my attention. A lot of these clothes are also really good for postpartum. And they were like, did you think you're gonna fit into your regular clothes after you give birth? And I was like, I didn't really think about that. So I might not be able to fit into my regular clothes for a while. So I went ahead and purchased the, what is it called again? The basics bundle, which comes with 4 pieces, like I mentioned. Ooh, okay, so when you open the box, it comes in a nice little white box, so clean. Thank you for your good vibes and great taste. Love, Storq. This set was actually really pricey. It was $250 for 4 pieces of clothing. Oh, and they also charge you tax, and I didn't have to pay shipping, so altogether it was $270. That's a lot, but I figured these are the basics, and I'm really gonna try hard not to buy any other maternity clothes. In general, I just really like loose-fitting clothes, so I'm hoping that a lot of my clothes will be able to carry me through the next couple months. Okay, so let's have a look. I've been trying to wear my jeans for as long as I can with the top button unbuttoned, and I loop like a little hair tie in between the jean loop and the button, hoping that it will just carry me through for a few months, but I can't do that anymore. It's starting to like really cut into my belly. So anywho, okay, so this is Storq. Ooh, so pretty. And the box is so nice too. I think this is a magnetic closure. Yep. Ooh, okay, it's wrapped. Pregnancy, a haiku by Storq. This is a super tough cardstock. Oh, hey, little babe. I knew there was a reason my pants won't button. Yup. Okay, well, I can't really see that. The basics bundle contains 4 of the softest, most perfect wardrobe essentials designed to keep you feeling good and looking like yourself for all 9 months. And in case you're not ready to part postpartum, go ahead and keep on wearing them for as long as you like. There's no time limit on comfort. When you're done, just wash, fold, and keep them somewhere cozy for baby number 2 or 10. Let's open it up. I'm so excited to wear this to work because wearing really tight pants is not comfortable. Okay, so it looks like the first piece we have here is the skirt, the pencil skirt. Ooh, and this is really stretchy and it's really thick. Actually, I think it's double layered. It is. So, I mean, I'm not really showing that much right now, but once I do, I'm gonna test it out because obviously it's gonna stretch. I think you can either wear this over your bump or under the bump, so we'll see. And what size did I get? I think you only get to choose size 3. They have really weird sizes. They have like their own sizing system going on. So I bought a size 3. This is the skirt. It's basically just a really simple skirt. There's no slits or anything on the sides, and the material feels really high quality. Okay, I'll put it here. Next item is, these are the leggings. These, I am looking forward to wearing these. So this is, I believe this is the same fabric as the skirt, and it's also, I think it's double layered. Maybe it's not the same. I'm not sure. The top part where the wrap is here is double layered, but the legs, the leg part is not double layered, which is fine, right? Because this is the part that needs the most stretching. And again, I think you can wear this little thing over your bump or under your bump, depending on how big your bump is and where you are at with your pregnancy. Okay, next item is another black piece. Everything in this box is black and white. Oh, and this is the dress. So this is kind of like a t-shirt dress. Same fabric. This one is not double layered. This one is single layered, which is fine because it's not too see-through. I'm hoping, at least, but we'll try it on. Just very simple, basic pieces that you can mix and match and wear it with your different accessories, different jackets, different tops, etc. And then the last piece is a tank top. I was a little hesitant to have this tank top in white because I usually don't like to wear white tank tops just on its own, especially when my stomach gets really big. Is it going to be kind of see-through? I don't know. Let's see. But it feels very stretchy. It feels very comfortable. I'm excited to try it. They also have a few other pieces on their website that I'm looking to buy maybe later, but again, like it's a little bit pricey. Like I wanted to buy some black pants for work, like tailored pants for work. They were like $125. So I'm gonna try these out first, see how I like them, and let you know whether or not I think it's worth it. So 250 divided by 4. Let's see what that is. So each piece is $62. That's a lot, like a white tank top for $62. Fast forward a few months, I am very much showing. I am currently about 7 months pregnant. This is the white tank top. I have a black bra and the black leggings underneath. As you can see, it's a little bit see-through around the waist area where my skin is kind of showing. And I've worn this top a few times already. I usually like to pair it with different tops, and on lazy days I just kind of throw a sweater over the tank top. But since now we're all working from home, that's pretty much every day. This is a t-shirt dress. To be honest, I've only worn it once, and it was to the supermarket just because there's not really a lot of places we can go right now. This dress is super comfortable. I love the fabric. The single layer didn't bother me at all. I thought it would, but it's totally fine, and it just feels so effortless. You just kind of throw it on. It kind of gives you shape. And of course you can pair it with different accessories. Here I have a Zara jean jacket paired with a Low & Sons wristlet that I recently purchased during a sale. So this is the pencil skirt. The pencil skirt is the one that's double layered. You can wear the top under the bump or over the bump depending on, I guess, how you're feeling and also the style you're going for. This is very comfortable as well, but I haven't had a chance to wear it out. This is the first time I'm putting it on for the sake of this video. And here I'm pairing it with a Madewell linen blazer that I recently purchased from Madewell while everything was on sale. This would have been a really cute outfit to wear to the office. But unfortunately we can't do that right now, but that's okay, someday. So far I've gotten the most wear out of the tank top and also these tights. These tights are a little bit on the thin side. I usually don't like to wear tights out on its own because I just feel like they're too thin and they're not really pants. I'm okay with wearing it out if I pair it with a long sweater that covers my bum. But that's just me. Without it, I just don't feel comfortable going out in just tights. I have been wearing these tights a lot around the house, but my husband likes to keep the house really cool, and my legs get too cold if I wear them on its own. So I sometimes have leg warmers on, or sometimes I wrap a scarf around my waist just to keep myself a little bit warm. I get cold very easily and I just like to bundle up. So I'm actually pretty tall, and I was surprised that these tights were long enough for me. Usually they hit me above the ankle bone, but these sit quite nicely at the right place, so I'm pretty happy about that. What's nice about these tights is that you can also roll down the flap if it gets a little bit too tight. It's easily adjustable. Okay, so that was unboxing Storq's Basics bundle. Let me know what you thought of the pieces that I got. If you have any other maternity clothing brands that you really love, please let me know in the comment section below. Again, I'm not showing too much right now, but later on I'm sure I will be, and maybe I'll need to buy more pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow this channel. Click on that bell so that you get notified when I have new videos up. I try to upload once a week, but just depends on life, I guess. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Ooh, this is like pretty heavy. I wonder if it's made of bamboo fabric.